Hey, my money families. Just wanted to give you an update. I told you that every week that I will be posting something new. That way I could continue sharing um some of the stocks that I'm investing in and also some of the herbs, herb and teas. I hope what I have been sharing with you guys so far with the herb and tea that it has been useful and also that some of you may consider using them because, as you know, health is wealth. So you always want to put your health first because without it, you can't function well. So you want to make sure that your health is your primary thing that you focus on. And anything else that can help you maintain your health, that's what you build towards. So as you know, with tea always it's an antioxidant. So um, which is help you clean your systems and also it helps maintain good health. And it doesn't help it it's something that helps cleanse your system and also it keeps sickness from going inside of you. So you want to make sure that every if you are able to like every week or every day or every at least 3 times a week you are having a cup of tea, whatever the flavor you choose, because I do share a whole lot of, and I'm going to continue sharing. So that way, you have a regimen, like you want to test your herbs. Because those herbs, we already put them in food. So you might as well make tea with them because some of them, you can use them as tea. And most of these herbs, like bay leaves, you can make it into tea. Yes, it does taste a little bitter. But what you do with any herbs that taste bitter, you just add a little quarter spoon of honey. Make sure that you don't add a lot of honey because you don't want to taste the honey. You just want to make sure it's there. And also you add a pinch of salt just to add flavor to it. Or you can have it blend. Yes, the best way to drink a medicine is to drink it plain. You can try it that way, but if you need to add flavor to it, yeah, add a pinch of salt and a little dash of honey in it. Now, remember, honey is like the most um healthiest things that you can add into your drinks. You can add it to your coffee, you can add it to your smoothie, you can add it to your if you're making lemon juice or lemonade, you can add that to it. So it's such a good benefit to add honey into things. It's beyond me. And then the next one is basil. As I mentioned to you last week, basil is such a good thing. I have been added to tea. It's such a good thing and it smells good. The leaves is very thin. Um, Cinnamons. I mean, how much more can you add cinnamons and cloves and styrene? You add that to your tea to add flavor. Like if you're making black tea, boil the water and then add cinnamon, add cloves, add styrene in there so you can add flavor and then you add honey into it and a pinch of salt. Awesome. Mint tea, mint, it helps with digestion and it helps open your mind. If you like having a headache, burn, boil a cup of mint tea. Bam, opens your mind. Um, so some of the stock that I'm going to share with you, they're like mostly going to be penny stocks today. But they've been around for a long period of time, so you may want to like do your research. One of them is the SST, and then the other one is PTON. It is in the pink right here. The next one is the WTI, and the next one is the NXTT, and then the next one is the IAOUX. So with as I know, you don't want to wait until stock market is like bounce back. By the time it's bounced back, that's when you should have buy them yesterday, because when the stock market is down, it's an opportunity for you to buy. It's not like, oh my God, I lost money. No, you did not lose money. It's it's like you're getting a discount day. Always thinking when the market is down, is a discount day for you. So you want to make sure every week you are adding like maybe $10, $20 into your brokerage account. So that way when those opportunities come, you can buy, you know? So those are like they are under $5 stocks that you can buy. But you do want to do your research, as I mentioned, do your research on Google to make sure that the stocks, the company that you are investing in, they are making money, and also um they've been around for a long period of time. So you can view these companies on Google and see, do your research first and then see if it's worth buying, because you can't just take my word for it, because those things I'm already I do my research, so I look at the company to see if it's worth my time. And usually, as I mentioned to you, with penny stock, you always want to do um like test it first, like buy $100, and then to see if it's going to make you money. If it makes you $10, $20, cash it out, because you make $20 out of your $100 that you spent. So you don't want to wait or it's going to shoot the moon. No. Okay. Next one is okay. So the one next one that I'm going to be sharing is the herb and tea. Okay. Herb, herb and tea. Um, so when I mentioned the herbs and tea, so I'm gonna go quick because these things time go by so quick. Okay, the bottle of Gilard, the bottle of the balm of Gilard. It's one of those herbs is widely used in salve to treat skin irritation like eczema, rashes, wound. It relieves joint pain, muscle pain, and soothe chest congestion, while its aromatic resin reduce stress. So when you if you do interested in making the tea, you do want to make sure that you you do your research first. Always do your research, because sometimes not every herbs, you want to make sure that you're not allergic to some of the side effects, because every herb has a side effect. It's not like strong side effects, but some people may be allergic to it. So if you see that you have an allergic reaction to some herbs, you may want to like cut it off, because not everybody have the same system. Not everybody react to the herbs. Everybody acts differently to any herbs. So if you see that it's reacting to you, just cut it off, or because your system may not agree with it. Simple as that. The next one is the hyssop. Hyssop is like the purification herbs. It treats respiratory issues such as cough, bronchitis, and chest congestion, acting as a um, expectorant to loosen mucus. It is also used to aid digestion, reduce intestinal spasm, and potentially treat infection. So you could see all the side effects, all the things that um hyssop treats. I mean, it's a beautiful herb. I mean, look at the purple flowers that comes with it when it blooms. So those are all the recommendations that it treats. Um, Asthma, bronchitis, cough, soothe, gastric cramps, inhibits intestinal contractions. I mean, it has all the list of things that it treats. So if you are interested in knowing more about it, you can always do more research on it. I mean, I am into herbs, so anything that helps me internally, I'm all for it. Um, okay, so the next one is saffron. Saffron is like a mental health drugs. It's improve mood, reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, and also alleviate PMS. Like if you're a young person, young female, if you ever have any period symptoms, which I haven't in my days, but you do wonder if you want to use that herbs to reduce um PMS symptoms, just use it. You do want to make sure you control what you use, how much you use. Yes. So make sure you do your research first before you use it. Um, it supports weight management by reducing appetite, aid in neural protections, and may improve eyesight in adult with age-related muscular degenerations. So saffron is, I mean, it's a, what do they call it again? It's a herbs that it's the most expensive herbs uh on the planet. So if it's something that you are interested in, I think I don't see it at the stores that I go to, but it's something you may have to order online because it's like such a limited herbs. So if you do get it, it may take you days for them to ship it out to you. Next one is the cilantro. Cilantro improve digestion, reduce blood sugar. So if you suffer from any blood sugar issues, I guess it improved. For me, I add it to my soup every morning. I chop some of it. I like the taste because it's very like aromatic and it's thin, so I like the flavor. It improve heart health, potentially enhance cognitive function. It's my its antimicrobial compound may protect against foodborne illnesses. So I'm just gonna please like and subscribe. Um, uh, if you are new, welcome, and also drop a comment below. Let me know if you like the herbs. What else that you, what more herbs that you would like for me to talk about, and also other food items that I'll be sharing to you with you guys next week. So like and comment and subscribe. Okay, let's build the channel. So I'm gonna leave it right here. So I will be speaking to you guys at another time. Bye.